Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. Welcome to our newest club. This is called Words in Wool, and it's really a fun celebration of each month and everything that that month is about. So as we look here at the project up to my left, it is definitely winter here in Idaho right now. Plenty of mittens, the snowflake, our snowman, our hot cocoa. I love that. We not only have the word, but we have those motifs that really accentuate what that month is about and how fun that you get to have a project to display each month. We've made sure that each of them are the same size. When you find your perfect display table or location, you can know that the next month's project will fit there just perfectly for you. What you can expect each month in your shipment, and we'll be sure to send you the month ahead. So what that means is for, say, May, for the May project, we're going to be shipping that to you in April so that you have plenty of time to make that project, to make and display that for all of May. So December's project, of course, this beautiful project here, will be coming to you in November, again with plenty of time to make and display. So what you can expect in your kit for each of the 12 months of our program, of course, you'll be getting a full pattern that'll have all your instructions, as well as full-size layout diagrams. So you're able to see the full layout of the project, including hand embroidery stitches. Of course, you'll be getting all of your wool. Even the back of this is wool. Sometimes when I've seen kits that have wool on the top, the back of that is flannel or maybe a cotton. We've put wool on the back as well, some specialty plaids and things that we were able to find. We've been collecting fabrics for this one for a few years now, and even some of those have hand dyes. Those will all be included, as well as the buttons. Notice all these beautiful buttons, also hand dyed. Notice the different colors of reds and pinks, and all the things that really bring this to life will be included in your kit each month. You've got a few options. I want you to know about those so you can choose those if that's right for you. This is the 12-weight thread set that we used. It's a sulky 100% cotton 12-weight. It's thicker than the normal 50-weight thread that we quilt with. And that's so that when you are stitching down your shapes, it's not just disappearing into the background. It's the perfect weight to use with wool. And that thread doubles as embroidery floss so that you can do all of the hand embroidery detail, like the spider web here on our Halloween project. The other options you might want to consider, and certainly this is all stuff we used, because the wool does not have fusible on the back, grabbing a pack of the Heat and Bond lights, you won't be doing any of the fusible on the wool itself, just on the applique motif. So one package will probably work for you. The Wafer One light box, the Applifuse mat, allowing us to pre-assemble those applique units, such as our jack-o'-lantern, maybe our turkey, whatever that is that's layered, and you want to be able to bring that all together and move it onto the background as a single unit. That's when the light box, the layout diagram, and the Applifuse mat marry up beautifully to make that possible. Karen K. Buckley was our scissors of choice as we're going through the density, of course, of the wool. We used both a light and dark marking tool at times when we needed that. Some of those shapes, those little details that just make it so cute, can be hard to grasp. We used some tweezers for that. Chenille needles for our hand embroidery, a size 100 needle in your sewing machine to support the 12-weight thread. And of course, we loved our Wonder Clips just to clip it all together so that we were just securing the front to the back, nothing was shifting. So be sure to grab your spot. There's limited amounts. As I said, we've been collecting the wool for so long, and there's not massive amounts of wool like there is with cotton fabric. So there is a very select and small group of these kits available. We want you to be in that and grab a friend as well. So be sure to grab your spot. Anything else you might need, subscribe if you haven't already done that, and I will see you soon on another Shabby video.